My role model, my father. My father. Ang my father was a very civil person. Hindi na yun sa publiko. Ewan ko kung saan ko nakuha itong baby by training. Kasi palipat-lipat kasi ako ng eskwelahan eh. I've been I said it took me 7 years to finish high school. I finished high school in the outside in the municipalities of Davao kasi mas madali ko usapin yung mga teachers doon para ipasakay. Eh dito sa Ateneo na-expelled ako, expelled 2 beses. So maybe sa galit ko noon parang nakondisyon na yung what palpak lang talaga ang nanay ko sa training. I don't know. But, of course, my father, I was not really that close of a son to a father, but now he's gone, and I missed him sorely. Whenever I have a problem, personal, I always go to his tomb and pray. Kaya ko ako when I took the bar, and years after when my daughter was also waiting to this house, I visited his tomb siguro mga 5 times. Kasi baka hindi ako pakinggan ng pinapakinggan ko ba ng Diyos? Father, baski nagmumura ka? Pastor?
Sigurado, Mayor.
Pinapadaan ko lang muna sa tatay ko kasi tatay ko mabait. And of course, praying to the so many saints, meron na niyang mga padrino, marami na niyang mga relative, baka hindi ka na mapakinggan. So, what better soul to pray to your father because he will surely listen to you. Maybe my father has been there all the time in times of need.